This video guide is about removing the unwanted browser extension that is called Movie Database. The developers of this website or this service actually indicate that by installing the extension you will be able to watch some movies online. But in reality, this particular extension also operates as a browser hijacker, and sometimes it also works as adware by displaying a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should urgently undertake the measures and remove it. Access the menu, more tools, then extensions. So if you find this movie database extension, disable and remove it completely. This should fix the issue very well, but I would also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.